4の平方根は the square root of 4 is equal to and the negative of the square root of 4 resulting in negative 2. Okay, why? Because negative 2 also when we square it, the result is 4. Okay. Okay, before I proceed like this, if this is A, so it will create this kind of picture, you know. When this is A, this is the root, the square root of A, this is the minus, it will create this kind of ellipse. Okay, continue again. 5の平方根は the square root of 5 is like this and the negative of square root of 5. Okay, when we write it down, the square root of 5 and the negative square root of 5 o matomete, we can write it down plus minus the square root of 5 to kaku koto ga aru. Okay, 実数 A についてabout real numbers of A, the square root of A を考えてみよう。 Let's think about the square root of A square. The square root of 3 square, okay, is equal the square root of 9, means the answer is 3. So the square root of 3 square is the absolute 3. Okay, the square root of negative 3 square is equal the square root of 9, the result is 3. De aru kara, the square root of minus 3 square is the absolute number of minus 3. Okay. So, in general, ippan ni tsugi no koto ga ieru. The square root of A square is equal to the absolute of A. Means there is A and negative A. If A is bigger and equal than 0, minus A if A is less than 0. For example, like this. The square root of 5 is 5 because the result is absolute. Absolute means there's no negative in it. The square result, the square root of minus 7 square is also 7.